In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event calendar in Confluence. We'll walk through the whole process, from creating your events to embedding the calendar on a page so you and your team can easily stay on top of what's coming up. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace, then start by opening the page or space where you want to work. Go ahead and click on a page in your space. This doesn't have to be the final page where the calendar will live. Right now, we're just getting to the calendar area so we can start adding events. Once you're on a page, look for the calendar option. Depending on your setup, this might be in the top navigation or in the sidebar as a calendars or team calendars. Click on calendar to open your team calendars view. This is where all your shared calendars are managed. Next, you'll want to create an event. Look for the add event button and click it. This opens an event form. Take a moment here, because the details you add will determine how useful your calendar is. You'll typically see fields for the event name, date and time, description, and possibly location or related pages. Fill in the event details carefully. Give your event a clear title so anyone on your team immediately understands what it is. Set the correct start and end dates and times, and double check the time zone if that option appears. Use the description to add context, like an agenda, links to documents, or who should attend. If there's a field to link a Confluence page, that's a great way to connect documentation directly to the event. When you're happy with everything you've entered, click Save. Your event is now part of the calendar in Confluence. You can repeat this process to add as many events as you need. Now, let's add that calendar to a specific page so your team can see it at a glance. Navigate to the page where you want the event calendar to appear and open it in edit mode. Place your cursor where you want the calendar to sit, then type the / key followed by the word calendar. So, calendar. This opens the macro search. From the options that appear, click on Team Calendars. This will let you embed an existing calendar. A dialog will appear asking for some details, such as which calendar you want to display and how it should look. Fill in those details, choose the relevant calendar you just used, and confirm your settings. After that, save or publish the page, and your